Our mind is not a gallery of video recordings of our memories. They can't possibly capture everything that we experience, and more importantly, emotions often influence how many memories are created, and they suffer and wear over time. Luckily though, research over the years has unraveled how our mind works and how it creates memories over time, so now you can know what action steps you need to take to increase the accuracy and quality of your memories. First though, let's discuss a few key things that you need to know about memory science. Guess what? Memories can evolve over time. Researchers have discovered that every time you recall a memory, your brain has to recreate it to store it again. Therefore, many mistakes can be made in this process, and your memory of an event could be different and change between now and when you think about it later. Secondly, memories have built-in feelings. Your brain actually remembers the emotion correlated with an event, which is why you may feel the same feelings while remembering a past event with significant importance. This key detail, however, can have major repercussions, since highly intense feelings can actually warp your memory. This is caused since your brain may struggle to deal with very traumatic experiences. So next time you feel highly emotional about something, double check the details to make sure you only remember the facts. Now let's talk about the 7 steps you can take towards improving your memory. So studies have actually shown that being busy boosts your memory, and this is actually because when you engage in lots of activities, your brain starts to be more active and you sort of exercise it. But when you exercise your brain, you need to keep in mind that, like any muscle, you lose benefits when you push yourself past the exhaustion point, so don't take it too far. If you need to memorize the facts and be able to regurgitate information, you need to be able to test yourself repeatedly. Studies have found that people who do that are able to recall 80% of their information, compared to 35% for people who stop testing themselves after they felt like they could remember it once. This is a great tip for when you need to do things like remember vocabulary, dates, or numbers. The health of your brain is actually surprisingly very strongly tied with your body's health. In fact, people who exercise on a regular basis will enjoy these benefits of a more healthy brain. Even if you're only leisurely walking, go on that walk and enjoy these benefits. If you're struggling to remember points for a presentation or even just simple tasks and dates, try to go over the same information with other people. Several studies have found that when you discuss information and ask people to give you reminders, you end up remembering more often, even if they remind you or not. That doesn't matter. Just talking about it with someone else really helps. Trying to fit enough sleep into your own busy lifestyle can be a challenge. However, it is a must if you want to be able to quickly recall simple facts into your life. Sleeping helps consolidate our memories, and this has a lot to do with the REM cycle. This cycle in our sleep actually brings our memories back into our brain and reinforces them into our day-to-day life. Typing notes and lists may be very convenient, but you can actually increase your ability to recall information when you handwrite it. Handwriting actually forces you to reinforce the message you're writing in your brain. And lastly, you need to realize how things relate to you. You can do this by figuring out why information is important to you. Doing this gives your brain additional pressure to turn the short-term memory into a long-term one, and this will make it easier for you to remember later. For more related content like this, go check out our other video on how to digital detox and learn how to do a digital detox in your life. Even if you need to use technology every day, we explain how you can do this even in 2020. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. For more content like this, please go like, share, and subscribe to the Success Bistro. Be sure to comment down below on how your experiences were trying out this new technique, trying out all these techniques. And thank you. See you in the next one.